All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin and staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin. Using the Drip network, get 1% back on your initial investment, 365%. All kinds of nice stuff going on. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yeah, we're going to go to their price prediction, their Twitter account, their website, what's going on with the token. Is this a good token to be looking at? Do you like this token? What's the use of the token? All kinds of stuff for AMP token. And then also, FTX and Bitstamp are thinking about getting into stocks. What's going on with that? Those are like crypto platforms, and crypto platforms are thinking about getting into stocks. All right, all kinds of good stuff going on for real. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, AMP token is number 72 right here on CoinMarketCap. It's down about almost 2% in the last 7 days. Doing a little bounce back here in the last 24 hours. Traded at about 3 cents. Clicking it. So it's up slightly in the last 24 hours. Again, about 3 cents for this token. Taking a look at the charts here. Not a lot of movement going up or going down. It's been at 3 cents. It kind of went below the 3 cents. If we go back to 7 days. 7 days, it did have this peak. Did have a peak of 3.56. In the last month, we were at almost 4 cents within the month. So yeah, within 30 days, this token was 4 cents. It's at 3 cents right now. Checking the holders of AMP. Checking the 3 months. Doing the 90 days. Okay, 3 months ago, we had 55,000 people holding the AMP. Today, 90 days later, we have 68,000. 13,000, about 20%, 21%. 21% more people holding the AMP token in 90 days. Okay, this as it keeps going up and going up. Fantastic news for AMP. All right, over here at the AMP Twitter account, here's something that's going on here. Atomic Wallet. Welcome AMP token to Atomic Wallet. AMP is a collateral token made for instant and secure payments. Now you can store, exchange AMP, and get cash back. So take a look at that on Atomic Wallet. AMP token is now listed. Fantastic. Another small improvement, but all this improvements adding up to make it big. News. Now track AMP governance proposal from directly within the registry. This was last month, but AMP has been now available on VOD Official with full support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP via AMP USD or AMP INR. Earn 1% with VOD savings and use your tokens to collateralize a loan at 200%. Get all the details. It says head on over to VOD Official to start earning, trading, lending, and borrowing. There's over 250 coins available there. Now right here is that Bitstamp, and Bitstamp offers the AMP and added Phantom, but later on in this we're going to talk about Bitstamp offering stocks, but it says, you know, now all of a sudden Bitstamp is now offering AMP token and Phantom. Fantastic there. And you knew that Grayscale has added AMP token as an investment. We just announced the update of the weighing of Grayscale's DeFi fund, which is now including AMP. For the first time, AMP will now include Grayscale investment vehicle. Read the thread. So, yep, AMP is now an investment vehicle. Over here at the website, Let's Take Money into the 21st Century. AMP provides assets like BAT with instant variable assurance for any real-world application and link. You know, there's a couple things you can do with the AMP token. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchanges, loans, distributions, properties of sales, and more. Then once you stake it, you can send it. Once staked to partitions, AMP is ready to collateralize as a transfer. Within the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network of any real-world application. Then you repeat it. AMP also simplifies the network reward distributes once a transaction is complete. The AMP smart contract offers a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distribution and continuous compounding. Yep, there's that passive income, everybody. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for users with smart contracts, features, purposes built for more collateral, nothing more and nothing less. All right. So AMP token, a lot of stuff going on with AMP. What is going on with FTX and what's going on with Bitstamp wanting to talk about stocks? That's kind of interesting. We're going to check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. So AMP token at 3 cents right this second. I remember a few months back it was at 5 cents and it bounced to 6 and 7, and it was 4.5 cents and 4.2 cents. Now it's at 3 cents. Our price prediction will be coming up at the end here. Let's head over to FTX and Bitstamp. Talking about stocks? It says Robinhood lags as FTX US and Bitstamp US plans to add stocks. It was not just cryptocurrency that were competing on the price scales, but other crypto businesses too. Prominent brokerage Robinhood has been cropping up with more offers, speculations about Shiba Inu listing. Yeah, they've been talking about the Shiba listing for about 4 months now. Once again, seeing losing the edge. According to the reports, the company's stock closed 6% lower on Thursday. Yeah, Robinhood, if you want your stock to go up, why don't you put the Shiba on there? I mean, it's not that difficult. There's only thousands of people that want to be on Robinhood with Shiba. On Thursday, after the crypto exchange FTX.US and Bitstamp revealed adding stocks to the trading platform. Yeah, Robinhood, they like to go slow, I don't know. But the market seems quaking when FTX president, the exchange is hard at work on stocks and gaming to include features like live prices, company data, portfolio performance trackers, and more. As per reports, the additional could come in a couple months. Yeah, we got some companies trying to add stuff, and we got some companies dragging their feet on bringing coins in. Meanwhile, Bitstamp USA CEO revealed Bloomberg during an interview that the exchange is considering adding stocks also, an NFT trading platform as per reports. So you got crypto exchanges thinking about adding stocks. You know, Bitstamp has over 4 million users, and it's a very competitive space, and there's some very significant players in this space. You know, earlier this competition was the largest crypto exchange. However, just adding crypto assets to your platform will not make you a leading business. Some crypto exchanges provided token versions of stocks like Apple and Tesla. These versions of stick reflections the price of securities but run into troubles with regulators. Instead, it appears FTX US and Bitstamp has sensed the changing trend and were eager to launch. With this, Robinhood may have to tighten its hold on such evolving trends to stay in the race. Yeah, Robinhood, what are you going to do, my friend? So right up here, we got FTX and Bitstamp thinking about bringing in stocks. All right, give us your thoughts. Now, think about this. The reason that Bitstamp and FTX US are bringing in stocks is they're diversifying. They're trying to become a better platform. Same thing with that drip network. If you decide to put some money in the drip network and you make 1% every single day, 365%, it could end up being a pretty good thing. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. At the end, we'll link a video about the drip network. Fantastic opportunity. We've been in it now for about 3 to 4 weeks, not quite a month, and we're liking the drip. Drip's a great package. But FTX and Bitstamp, they're doing the same thing. They're trying to find other ways to make passive income. All right, let's head back over to AMP token for a price prediction and check out the website a little bit more. Over here on the Reddit, I read this ELI 562 7 months ago. It says the majority of crypto projects are work in progress with the end goal is to interact with the masses. Unfortunately, very few can say that the product is for the masses, unlike AMP does. Flexa literally has currently worked with partnerships. So again, AMP is partnered with Flexa. So dig this. Has worked with partnerships with Lowe's, Dunkin' Donut, Bed Bath, and 41,000 businesses can use Flexa. 41,000 at the very moment. You know, it says, what made me invest in this project literally was the bridge to have Doge, a Litecoin, and Bitcoin, etc. used every day. Sure, AMP's biggest thing right now is Flexa, but it can essentially be used for other cryptocurrency projects as collateral. And this person says, I've been in crypto since 2018, and I've seen as many niche unicorns come out of the top. I made fun of AMP when it first was released on Coinbase. I was a hater. And then I read into it, and I was blown away by the huge potential. I've held AMP for 3 weeks. Now, this is, again, about 6 months ago, so he's been holding for a while. I think the strong team has paved the way. It will be a hard replica in Flexa Network. There'll be a copycat in the future, but when Flexa's success takes off, then I think Flexa will pounce the competition based on the branding. So this person right here was making fun of AMP, and then he realized that AMP is dealing with, Flexa's dealing with Lowe's, Dunkin' Donuts, Bed Bath & Beyond, and 41,000 businesses. So AMP's a pretty good thing. Back over at the website, meet our friends from staking payments and Flexa to providing liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to earn AMP today. Keyword, earn AMP. Bittrex, Gemini, Coinbase, Flexa, crypto.com, Rainbow, Chainlink, just to name a few, Zapper, Moonswap. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, what's our price prediction? I'm saying this token's going to go back up to 4 cents. It used to play around at 5 cents and 4.5. It went all the way to 6 or 7. All our information's for educational purposes only. But again, when this coin resets itself for where it was, it's at 3 cents right now. 4 cents I don't think should be hard. Again, its high was 12 cents last June. So the high for this token was 12 cents. So again, 4 cents shouldn't be too hard. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. So AMP token right here at number 72. Got a little bit of red here. LRC's down 15% at number 75. All right, AMP token. Flexa's a fantastic company working with Lowe's, Bed Bath & Beyond, 41,000 merchants across the country. Fantastic. They're also working with Sheetz gas stations. Don't forget that. And then FTX and Bitstamp are trying to change their platform a little bit by bringing in stocks. Diversification. All right, just like... don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, diversification. Don't forget to click right here to see the Drip Network, 1% a day on your ROI, up to 365%. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We bring cryptocurrency to everybody that watches this channel. We're going to have everybody learning about cryptocurrency and knowing how to invest in it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a great day, everybody.